Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Doug from Performance Unlimited. We got a badass supercharged motor here with a Whipple on it, one of our LS engines. This happens to be a smaller throttle body on here. It's a 90 millimeter versus a 102. So we picked up a lot of torque. This thing makes 952 foot-pounds of torque, over 800 right off idle. And it maxed out horsepower at 921 at 62. What an unbelievable motor. We got a few more of these in line, and we're going to probably, for the other gentlemen, put the 102 on because they might want their horsepower being up and may want the torque level down. This gentleman was smart, says give me the torque versus the horsepower. He's a smart guy, he knows what he's talking about. But again, what an unbelievable motor. It was, you got to check it out. It's really cool. Peace. There we go.